What's up guys, and here you go. Samsung kinda confirmed all the products they will be launching on August the 5th in a trailer, but thanks to EvLeaks, the highest quality official images are here. There you go, the Galaxy Watch 3, Buds Live, the Note 20 Ultra with that amazing bronze color, and of course, pairing up with that Buds Live in that same color and that S Pen looking so good. But most importantly, out of all these products, the one product that makes me drool, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. For the first time, we have full glory official images of the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and look at that beauty. The colors, the design, it is absolutely the best foldable phone in the world right now. Samsung is untouchable when it comes to the foldable game. The first foldable phone to rock a punch hole design. Look at them bezels. They are so slim that they are slimmer than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Can you actually believe that? They managed to put a 120Hz display coming at 7.7 inches. The back camera is identical to the Galaxy Note 20/S20, which is amazing since S20 camera is really good, one of the best, has no issues, great zoom, great pictures, great colors, and great video performance coming at 8K. All that good stuff will be there. It's unbelievable how much they have improved the design in just a year. We also have a side fingerprint scanner, so all in all, this is looking pretty good, and you may be thinking that price will be high as well. But here's the good news. According to the recent report, the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 will be exactly the same as the price of the original Galaxy Fold, which is $1,980. Considering what this phone is bringing to the table, this price is absolutely justifiable in my opinion. I think this is a great price for the Galaxy Z Fold 2. It's also coming with 5G, and like I said, the best Qualcomm chip, the 865 Plus. Honestly, in my opinion, it matches the level of its price. I'm really looking forward to it. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Now, on to the Note 20 Ultra. In case you missed it, we already know the specs of the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. The Galaxy Note 20 is indeed using a glass stick design, but we have an aluminum frame on the side, so it's sort of a combination between the premium and, not so premium level, but still it's rocking a 60Hz display coming at full HD plus resolution. Honestly, I don't really think a lot of people will be excited about the Note 20, especially looking at its price, which is also not looking that cheap. It's not going to be an $800 phone. It's most likely going to be a $900 to $950 price. Of course, 4G model will most likely be around $900. 5G could be close to $1,000. The real attractive price, in my opinion, is with the Note 20 Ultra. Thank God it's not exactly matching the price of the S20 Ultra, so you could be looking at $1,300. We have 256GB of base storage on all these models. Again, there will be different things for different markets. There will be different deals as well. If you have an older flagship, you will be able to trade in. So a lot of different things will happen that may allow you to upgrade to the Note 20 Ultra if you have an older flagship. Now, Exynos 990. I briefly touched on this topic yesterday, but now I want to expand on it further. So another source is reporting that Samsung has indeed placed a new thermal cooling system to fix any issue with the Exynos 990. And I do believe that it is true because they know what's been going on. Samsung is not like Google, okay? They still do things very differently, and they do hear to their customers, and I do think that they are aware of everything that is going on. Of course, whatever happened with the S20 Ultra, things can get very different with the Note 20 family. We know that the Exynos 990 processor is capable of matching the peak performance of Snapdragon 865 processor. If Samsung indeed has placed a brand new cooling system, then it means that the Exynos 990 will be on its absolute max level. Now, I still think that 865 Plus could still be 3 to 4% faster. I want to hear your opinion on that. We have, I would say, a killer feature with the Note 20 family. It's coming with the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. It's a full-on collaboration between Samsung and Microsoft. Samsung has previously done some collaboration with Microsoft, but this time it will be really special, especially with Microsoft bringing the Xbox Gaming Pass as its best deal in gaming right now. Basically, the future is all about cloud gaming, and with the Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra, you get exclusive access to over 90 games with the Xbox Gaming Pass. Microsoft's Project X Cloud will be the next big thing. It will allow you to play games on smart smartphones, on TVs, on tablets, pretty much anywhere you want. So if you get the Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra, you're getting the Xbox Project X Cloud gaming service, and these are all console quality games. You can play them anywhere you want. And of course, things like wireless decks that we have already heard in the previous rumors, that it will allow you to pretty much connect your phone over the air to any external monitor or a smart TV, Samsung TV or any smart TV. You can play games on the go. This really does sound super amazing for gamers, and it's going to be highlighted in the trailer as well. I'm pretty sure Samsung will market this heavily as Xbox gaming smartphone. So there you go, the whole package that Samsung is bringing on August the 5th. Everything is looking super exciting. Also in the news, Qualcomm has officially announced its Quick Charge 5 technology, which promises a 50% charge in less than 5 minutes with a total charging speed of 100 watts. That is absolutely crazy. You will be able to charge your phone from 0 to 100% in just under 15 minutes. Next year, devices coming with Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 could come with this technology. We've heard about this already, that many phones in 2021 could have support for 100 watts of fast charging. If you think this is crazy, Oppo went one step ahead and they revealed their 125 watts of flash charge. This fully charges a phone in under 12 minutes. So absolutely crazy tech that is coming next year. I'm super duper excited. While Apple is busy removing chargers out of the box, these companies are going crazy on them watts. So that's all the news that we have. Let me know in the comment section below if the Exynos 990 is indeed fixed. Will you upgrade to the Note 20 Ultra in the international market? Of course, if you are from US, Canada, South Korea, or China, you are getting the 865 Plus version. So the upgrade in those regions are looking more likely. So the Note 20 Ultra looking phenomenal. Drop your thoughts. Also, what do you think about the Fold 2? And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.